Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. The VUKU portable wardrobe is very cheap considering what you're getting for the money. I recently purchased this to free up my bedroom closet space. It makes sense to put away your seasonal clothes when needed, instead of cramming your closet full of clothes. I thought about using the VUKU to store some of my clothes in the garage, and decided later to put this in my attic. After all, the temperature will be higher in the colder seasons and may be good for the clothes. I initially found the build to be a bit challenging, but once you know where everything goes, it's not that difficult, so I thought I would make a video of this. I'm not sponsored by Ikea, and I do this only for the love of keeping my life organized. I hope you'll support me in giving me a thumbs up and subscribe if you find the video useful. It supports me a great deal and encourages me to do more reviews of these products for your benefit. If you're planning to purchase this from IKEA, keep in mind that this product is not found in the warehouse. You will need to collect it from the showroom in the bedroom section. I carried 3 of them all the way to the warehouse where I could use a trolley. Luckily, the bedroom showroom was close to the warehouse entrance and didn't have to walk much. The product is not that big, and you can carry these under your arms quite easily. Once opened up, you have the rods, materials, manuals wrapped inside the plastic. You want to create the coat hanger first. That will sit inside the top of the plastic wardrobe. Just make sure to put the red lugs through the clean hole end first, so it clips nicely on the other side. My daughter of 6 was a bit confused why this was not working, as she was connecting it from the wrong side. Complete this top portion as shown, and you will next position this inside the upper portion of the wardrobe as shown. Notice that this drawing is not true to what the final wardrobe stands. It shows the top surface of the ward laid flat. This is to make sure we can locate the 4 reinforced holes in each corner as shown and position the piece you just made. You're now ready to couple the longer rods to the rear of the wardrobe, and this can see in the drawing as shown. Make sure to feed the rods into the reinforced housing at each corner of the plastic. I'm guessing this is to ensure that the rods do not break through the plastic, since there is tension on the rods once they are coupled. You will see that the 2 long tension rods have now been fitted at the rear of the wardrobe, which naturally makes the plastic sheeting at the rear fairly taut. It can be a bit tricky, and I did this with the wardrobe upright, but it is actually easier if you lay the longer end flat to the ground. If you remember, I had decided to put 2 of these wardrobes in my attic, and since my opening was only 2 feet by 2 feet, I decided to finish the unit once inside the attic. This would allow me to fit the unit easily through the opening, and then I can finish this by attaching the other remaining rods. My attic is unfinished and fairly dusty, and I didn't want to spend too much time there for any length of time. Luckily, the piece slid easily through the attic opening, and once there, I attached the 2 front rods in the same way as the rear, and voila, I had 2 wardrobes ready for use. Now my head is swimming with ideas on how to go about moving some of my seasonal clothes. I thought about using some of IKEA's vacuum packaging to protect some of the expensive coats and clothes. Maybe I will post something later on this. Hope you found this video helpful. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe so I can continue to bring you these reviews. Until then, see you soon. Bye.